guess what? This sucker drives. This redneck tractor drives like a son of a gun. These new hoops on it, it was driving like it was brand and new. Look at these things. Look at that. They're like tires. These are trailer tires, but they fit. Look. That's just so engineered good. That C2. Love it. Well, look. Look at this thing. It's running. All 4 tires are moving. I got my redneck throttle pedal. I'm in first gear. I'm just cruising. Look at this. Well, redneck people, I don't know what next episode will be about, but it's going to be phenomenal and redneck. See you in the next episode.